Hi there, so this morning we're going to put together the handlebar for the flip, or the mini flip. So as you see from inside the packaging, we've got the handle. We have two stem kits, which consist of an upstand, the bolt, and the nut and washer. And then we've got the different hardware to put it together. So the first thing we need to do is obviously separate this large bolt. And the best thing to do really is to separate it into two parts, one being the bolt and one being to that. And that goes into through the handle. And then on the underside, position the upstand components. That's then ready to place into one of the holes on the handlebar. On the underside, we put the washer on the bolt, and then the nylock nut with the flat face to the bottom. Now the second bolt, make sure that the curve is facing the front. Drop the bolt through the hole, bring your upstand kit together and position that in the right location. There, place it on there. Again, washer on first, and then again the nylock nut with the flat face up, and do that finger tight. Once that's finished, you've kind of got it loosely there, but you can see it's going to wobble around. Take our hardware, so the spanner on the underside, and then the Allen key on the top edge, and the Allen key on the top, and tighten. And finally, make sure that's done really tight, just get some more leverage. So with the spanner on the underside and the Allen key on top, we can tighten that. And finally, just to get it extra tight, get some more leverage on that. And there you have it, ready to go.